Welcome to Kansas City International Airport. We're taking the exit. Got to drop the rental off. Check out MCI, Kansas City International Airport. So they got the parking lot availability and rates. That's cool. There's the official welcome sign. Airport ticker, MCI. They just expanded, got a new wing here. So happy to check that out. I've seen a rental. There it is. All right, Paris Street. You got to take a shuttle. It's not long, maybe 10 minutes, but you do need to take a shuttle. So it's part of the airport, but a little bit off-site. I'll tell you what, the landscape is beautiful around here. They got a couple ponds, kind of similar to Orlando. And there is a nice fuel station here. Gotta love that. Fill her up. There. Alright. It's alright, once you get off the trolley, come here. Check your bags, check in if you need to. And then you got all gates, TSA and clear. And then of course, we got food and dining and restaurants. So we'll check that out in just a minute. All right, so get through. Got your A gates, barbershop, marketplace. Gates A1 through 10. We're gate B, so here's security. Got a lot of shopping here. Some bars and food. Cool. Got a bunch of memorabilia. Now at the B gates, look at this. City Market Brewing Company. Ah, here we go. Antiani's. Here's where the restaurants are. Got Delta Sky Club. And they're known for the barbecue and get it to go. We're at gate 65.